Welcome to Leo's Universe. Today I want to open up and I want to make my pixie. So I want to start with this.
What's that one called? Is that the Pixlin Power Elixir?
This is the Pixlin Power Elixir. First I'm going to cut it open. Now we'll need the scissors again. Cut. One. Now pour it in, all of it. You had a little accident.
Squeeze it from the top down. Squeeze it all in.
Now we have to add some magic water. Oops.
No, where's the line at?
That's a drop. That's good. This is a magic elixir. Now we're going to put the precious petals. The whole thing.
Alright.
And next we're going to put the magic antlers. Now, turn it to stops. Now pull tight.
Push down twice hard. Oh, hold on.
Magical mixes. Now push twice. Now we just have to wait a minute.
Let's see what it's doing.
I see something.
That's cool.
See, I know which one he is. I think, and then what do we? I think we have to wait 1 more minute.
That looks pretty cool, huh?
It's hard. Please. Oh, which one is she? Oh, he is the one with the antlers. And then this is the rest of the whole entire genie. And then look, right here you can see our face that we put on in right here.
Mm-hmm.
Do you open it or like?
I don't know, does it pop open when it's done? You just gotta remove it. Unscrew the lid.
This lid? It says don't open it.
Well, it's done, so you open it now. Let's see what it looks like. Unscrew it all the way. What is it? There, she's in there. Turn her around. There she goes.
Is this supposed to go in here?
Yeah, just leave it in there.
Harry's.
Let's see what your pixie looks like.
And she has pink hair. And I think we can take her skirt off. And after we take her skirt off, she has a bathing suit. I mean, let's take her shoes off too. One shoe. And let's take her other shoe off.
See her.
And this is her bathing suit.
That's pretty cool.
Her hair is very pink.
Yeah.
And please like and subscribe. Bye.